Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So this is my another story on the KLSE stock market. So recently, right, there is a bounce, right? People see there is a sign of a rebound of the glove, right? The healthcare counters, right? So previously we are talking about vaccine is coming, the glove is jamming, right? Now looks like the vaccine is jamming, the gloves is coming, right? So today we want to take a look, okay, on the gloves counters, see whether there is any opportunity, okay, what are the gloves doing in the chart. Okay, we are basically, this is a analysis, right? These shares for my own trading, okay, for my own investment. Okay, this is not an investment advice. Okay, I'm not a professional advisor or anything like that. Okay, so I do all this for my personal use, and I share this just for entertainment purpose. Okay, so let's start with RubberX. Oh yeah, let's talk about the KLCI first. What happened to KLCI? Okay, so from my previous story, right, I talked about KLCI right here. Okay, KLCI should have a rebound at the 1615 or okay 1581 area, right? I remark here. Okay, so looks like the line already came here. Okay, so these are the support for the KLCI. Okay, so we previously we talked about here, you know, the retracement. Okay, after a very long run, right, after the run from the 1450, okay, towards 1685, right? Okay, a very good run of the bull market, 16% run. Okay, now we have a retracement. Okay, around 7% retracement, right? The price comes down. So let's see how many percent is the retracement. Okay, you see around 50%. Okay, so I have remarked these are the potential retracement of the KLSE. So actually it did actually retrace at the this area, the 1581 area. Okay, so the 50% of the retracement provide a strong support for the KLCI index. Okay, so price is going up and it looks like very strong. Okay, Friday, right? Friday close is very strong, a very bullish move. Okay, and it breaks above the previous support, become resistant 1615. Looks like the market is very quite positive. Even we are facing, I think we are going into a worse COVID, right? A worse COVID situation. Okay, a lot of new cases. Okay, and the COVID index has been going higher and higher. You know, the infection rate has been going higher. Okay, people are predicting, you know, a lot of healthcare analysis. You know, they are predicting somewhere like we'll be hitting 5,000 to 8,000. You know, in a few months' time. So now the government is here taking a lot of steps. Okay, trying to curb this continuous COVID infection. Okay, but the market is bullish. Okay, due to the a surge in healthcare, right? And Friday, if you look at the sector analysis, right, is the healthcare actually gain a lot of momentum. Okay. Okay, if we go into the sector, right, we can see, okay, the one that has the most gain, right? 13% is health technology. Okay, so health technology is the one that gained a lot of momentum. Okay, on last week, last Friday closing. Okay, the volume also quite high. So okay, let's jump into our chart, right? We go to the big one first. Okay, not the big one, the highest gain first, 29.73%. Okay, RubberX. Okay, RubberX actually uh, was on a bearish run, right? Was on a bearish run. Then there is a big support over here. Okay, a big support over here at 1.360. So generally, okay, after the price actually broke this trend line, right? After it broke this trend line, after it broke the $2, okay, 2 ringgit mark, okay, the price has been on a downtrend. Okay, downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. This is a very important, okay, support resistance area. Okay, and at 1.37, okay, 1 ringgit 37 cent. So you see the price actually, okay, came here one time, two time, okay, it couldn't break. Okay, means there is a strong support over here previously. Okay, this time also the price hit the same support area, right? The price was supported. Okay, and January it started to bounce up very fast. Okay, 20 over percent. Uh, and we want to see. Okay, I want to see generally. I want to see where is the resistance. Okay, where the price can be there, where there is a barrier. Okay, for the price to go up. The first one I can see is around the 2 ringgit area, which is here. Okay, the previous you see a previous top many times here, it cannot break. Okay, many times it cannot break. After it breaks down, right? After it breaks up, the price broke up. You see it come down and retest. Okay, after a break and retest, this become a very strong support resistance area. Okay, so this is an area that we have to watch out. Okay, I will have to watch out if I want to buy this stock. Okay, this area I want to watch out. Okay, and also the next area will be 2.45405, 2.4. Okay, this is the area where this, okay, the price broke this support trend line. Okay, this support trend line is where the price broke the trend line, right? Okay, so this is the, when the price go up, it will meet the trend line over here. Okay, support, as I said, support become resistant, right? Support become resistant. Okay, so this one also, okay, support, now it broke down, become resistant, right? Support, broken, come down, become resistant. So now this is the strong resistant area. We have to watch out, 2 ringgit area. Okay, and also, okay, this trend line going upwards. Okay, the broke of this trend line now is going up. It might retest over here, it might retest here, it might retest here. Okay, so these 2 points we have to be careful, 2.405 and 2 ringgit. Okay, generally the price is quite bullish. Okay, because the price actually, the RSI, right, momentum actually, it has already moved above 50. Okay, shows that now the price is in a bullish run. Okay, a strong momentum, upward momentum. Okay, but one not so good sign is already near overbought. Okay, already near overbought. So the price still can go up, of course. Okay, it's still not past overbought yet, but it's already near overbought. Okay, maybe a few more days of play, it will be severely overbought over here. Okay, so there is have to watch out for this one. Okay, but generally, if I were to buy this one, this stock, my target will be at 2 ringgit and 2 ringgit 40. Okay. The second one is a K plus. Okay, K plus also broken the uptrend trend line. Okay, so this is the uptrend trend line. So the price came down, it broke the trend line. Okay, and it comes down to again this support resistance area, this very important support resistance area, 1.920. Okay, the price came up here, cannot break. Okay, become resistant. The next time the price broke the resistance, right, it came up and came back down to test it again. Okay, so after it retests this, become a strong support resistance area. Okay, you see the another time, right, the price came down to test this area, means a lot of people are supporting. Okay, a lot of people are supporting this area. And you see the support during the the break, right? Okay, after during the break, you see the volume is very big. Okay, this is a legitimate break. Okay, the volume is very big. After it came back here, okay, you see the volume also increase. Okay, the support, you see the green candle actually goes up, means there's a lot of people supporting this price. Okay, a lot of people are supporting this price. Okay, the same thing happened. The price came to here. Okay, the candle suddenly, the volume suddenly become big, means the people are also supporting this area at 1.92. Okay, so what we want to see, what is the target? Okay, the first target is here. Okay, 2.95, which the price already reached, right? 2.95 is the first target. Okay, so this is a resistant area. The next resistant area, if it can break out, we need to look at this 3.515, 3.5 area. Okay, 3.5, because this is the top of this broken trend line, right? This broken support trend line. So the price come to here, there will be resistance over here. Okay, resistance over here. If we can break out, then we are looking at 4 ringgit. Okay, so this one, of course, if we want to buy this pair, right? I mean this a stock, right? Buy here, okay, it's dangerous. If I want to buy here, it's dangerous. Okay, the best price to buy, right, is after it breaks this trend line, right? So the best place to buy is around here. Okay, around here. Buying here, we have to look. If I want to buy, I have to look whether this price, right, continue to go up. Okay, continue to go up or not. If it continue to go up, possible. If it comes back down, then you have to watch twice. Okay, have to think twice. Well, this is the resistance. Okay, so generally the RSI also, this one also went above 50. Okay, which is quite strong, show that there's momentum coming up. But this is, but as I said, glove stock, right, is very volatile nowadays. Okay, you see all the move over here. It's very volatile. Okay, it's which in turns, right, it's very risky. Means, right, the price can go up very fast, and it can also go down very fast, like here. Okay, what happened here? I think a lot of people got caught over here. Okay, over here. So you see a lot of volume, right, over here. All this big volume, big volume, big volume. So a lot of people are caught over here, and when the price come down, a lot of people are holding it here. Okay, might not be able to sell fast enough. Okay, and a lot of people also buying around here. You see all this area, right? So people are still buying over here. Okay, over here, people are still buying over here, right? Big volume, green volume. A lot of buyers over here. Okay, so people start to sell right here. So a lot of people are still caught over here. Okay, and cannot sell fast enough. Okay, this one, I can't say from the chart alone, right? We can't say that this is sustainable. Okay, all these are glove search, right? All these glove search is sustainable. Whether it still can go up, or it is just a short-term play. Okay, just a short-term rebound or long-term rebound. Okay, in order for this stock, right, to categorize on a long-term rebound, right, you have to break here. Okay, you have to break here 3.5. Okay, after you break the 3.5, means this downtrend trend line, right? Okay, you have to break this downtrend trend line. If you break this downtrend trend line, go above, then possibly we are talking about a long term, okay, uptrend. So currently, as it is, right, we will be looking at only, okay, a short play to this one. Okay, short play, I'm looking at a short play until 3.515. I'm going to see what happened here, 3.515. Okay, if the price can break above 3.515, then this is a long term play. If the price actually come back down at 3.515 or come back down at 3.9 2.97, okay, so this could be just a short term, okay, short term play, short term search. because the actual trend line, right, actual uptrend has been broken. Okay, the actual uptrend has been broken. So for the price to go up, right, similar to rubber racks, right, for the price to go up, right, okay, for the price to go up, right, so there's quite a few barrier for it to break, okay, in order to be bullish stock. Okay, so there's a few areas that you have to break. Okay, preferably this one, it breaks the 2.4. Okay, then we are looking at further up. Okay, if it cannot break 2.4, so this could be a short term. Okay, if it cannot break 2.4 here, so this could be short term. If it comes down back here, so this could be a short term play. Or if it comes down back here, so this is only a short term play. Okay, so okay, let's look at HLT. Okay, HLT, I really do a video, okay, on HLT, that I bought the stock over here, okay, around 1.2, and my target is here 1.5. Okay, so I already sold half my position over here when it reached my target of 1.5. Okay, so I want to see what happened at 1.5, whether it still goes up. Okay, if it still goes up, if it can break these two trend line, right, this trend line and this trend line, okay, and it can go above 1.5 and it breaks these two trend line, I will look for continue to buy. Okay, if it cannot break, if it U-turn down, okay, I might consider to sell the rest of the stock that I'm holding. Okay, so this is a very important area to watch out. Okay, to watch. Okay, similar to rubber racks. Okay, rubber racks, we have to look at this area. Okay, this very important area, whether it can breaks up. Okay, if it can breaks up, then opportunity will be it can come to here. Okay, if it can still break up above this, okay, then we got good opportunity to go even further up to the previous price. Okay, but these two are very strong resistance. Okay, if the price you turn down, okay, have to be careful. If the price you turn down, have to be careful, because the glove play, right, the gloves play is very fast. Okay, it's just like a top glove, all those, right. You see the glove play, right, when it reach the top, right, the the time for it to come down is very fast. Okay, so if we actually, if I buy it at the top, okay, if I mistaken buy it at the top, right, there is very short time to, okay, to let go. Okay, so a lot of people will be caught, buying the top over here. Okay, this type of top, so be very careful. Okay, the target, once it's near the target, okay, be very careful and watch out, see what the price does. Okay, Supermax, the HLT and the RSI also is went above 50, right? So this momentum is justified. So it's a quite strong momentum going up. Okay, so in order to continue to buy or not, we have to see whether it managed to break out from this two trend line. Okay, 1.5. Okay, around the 1 ringgit 50 cent area. See whether it can goes up. Okay, if it continue to goes up above 1.50, then I will consider to add to my current position. Okay, if it comes down, I will consider to sell my current position. Okay, because gloves, right, is still on a, okay, theoretically, right, theoretically it's still on a downtrend. Okay, it broke this trend line, right, these are support trend line, so the price actually broke, went down here. Okay, this support trend line, right. Okay, after the price, you see, broke the trend line, right, it give it one test. Okay, cannot break, so it comes down, right. Theoretically this one is already a downtrend. Okay, as long as it stay above here, so we still consider this as a uptrend. Okay, a good buying opportunity. After it breaks here, it could be a downtrend. Okay, but because of this support, Okay, these are triangle support. I went in because, okay, this I see this price is supported at the bottom of the triangle. See, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Okay, testing the bottom of the triangle, and it found support here. Okay, so I went in. Okay, my first target, of course, is the top of the triangle, right? Around 1.5, the top of the triangle. So my second target, after it breaks out from the triangle, okay, will be 1.7, 1.8, okay, 2.145, and 2.46. Okay, so these are the stronger momentum one. We look at the other big gloves. Okay, Supermax. Okay, Supermax haven't break out from the downtrend trend line, right? Where else this one, right? Okay, HLT, okay, broke up from a short-term downtrend trend line. A short-term trend line is here. Okay, it broke up from a short-term trend line, right? K plus also broke up from a short-term downtrend trend line, so there is a short-term play. Okay, short-term spike here. Okay, rubber Rex also, you see it broke out from this short-term trend line, so it actually broke out from a short-term downtrend. Okay, but Supermax haven't, Supermax haven't. This is the downtrend trend line, so Supermax haven't break out. Okay, so generally it's a little lack of the momentum is actually a bit less. Okay, I'm not saying that they will not go up. Okay, they might still go up very high. Okay, just for currently, okay, they have not broken out yet. Okay, so you see this is on the range. Okay, this is on the downtrend range. Supermax, this is a range. You can see the price is on the range. Okay, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Okay, 1 touch, 2 touch. So it's actually zigzag inside this range, right? Okay, we want to see the strong a breakout is after it break out from the range. Okay, then there will be a good positive move. Okay, but the best is after it breaks out from this downtrend trend line. Okay, after it breaks out from this trend line, will be a positive move, which means that the price can go even higher. Okay, the price can go even higher. For now, in order to invest, right, if I were to invest for this Supermax, okay, I will have to wait. Okay, I will have to wait for it to break this. Okay, this range, which is 7.9. Okay, around 7.9 to 8 ringgit area. Okay, if it can break out, okay, from the 8 ringgit, okay, from the 8 ringgit area, then there's a possibility the price to go to 9 to 10, okay, 10.45 and above. Okay, this one, and the RSI, okay, it just went above 50, also a good sign. Okay, the price actually went above 50. So there's a possibility that the price can continue go up. Okay, RSI momentum so show that it's possibly the price will go up. But for me, okay, to buy here to this target is very near, so it's quite risky. Okay, because the price might bounce down. Okay, as I said, this is a channel. Okay, many times the price tested the top of channel. You see, okay, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, it cannot break. Okay, if can break the 4th time, then this will be a very good. Okay, this will be a very good indication that the price want to continue to move up. Okay, if the price cannot break the 8 ringgit, so possibly the price will come down. Okay, if the price come down, so it could be, okay, the short term, okay, uptrend, right, the short term rebound, right, could have finished. Okay, so we want to see comfort glove. Okay, comfort glove. Okay, the support long term, the support line is here. Okay, and the long term downtrend also, uh, downtrend resistance line is here. Okay, resistance trend line is here. So the price actually broke out from this resistance trend line. Okay, which is quite a good sign. Okay, a short term bullish sign, right? A short term bullish sign, and it broke out from this support resistance area, right? This support resistance area. Okay, the price has provided support many times here. Okay, and it actually broke below it. Okay, it broke below this support resistance area. The key point is that it managed to break back up. Okay, if it doesn't manage to break back up, it come test here and it comes down again. So it's confirmed. It is confirmed the downward momentum. Okay, since it's broken out, so there's a possibility that the price will continue to go up to this area, 4.9 4.195 and 5.1. Okay, 5.1 is the more uh, uh, stronger resistance. Okay, because 5.1 is the cross of this support trend line. Okay, the old support trend line. So this is there is a resistance, downwards resistance over here. Okay, and the price has not broke this area, right, since since August. Okay, around August. So the price has not gone up. So this will be a strong resistance area over here. Okay, if the price can continue to go up, potential 4.19 and 5.1. Okay, if the price if the price lost momentum, okay, it died back below this support line, right? So this show that this upward momentum, right, could have ended. Okay, 3.4. Okay, if it dies below 3.4, okay, then there is a danger that the price will continue to go down. Harta, I also did a video on Harta. I think on the 11 stock that the expert, okay, advise, recommend to buy, right? So I think you guys should take a look at the video. Very entertaining. Okay, I read an article on the newspaper. Okay, on the edge market, right? So uh, it mentioned the expert actually recommend 11 stocks to buy. Okay, so those are long-term stock. Those are not short-term stock. So don't. I also, if I buy those stock, right, I don't expect it will return. In the investment, it will ROI within 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. Yeah, they are talking about 1 year. Okay, 2 years type of investment. Okay, so Harta. Okay, one downtrend trend line here and another one downtrend trend line. Okay, two downtrend trend line. It's broken means the downtrend is getting worse. Okay, but one good sign is this. Okay, this long-term support resistance, it broke down and it broke back up. Okay, it broke back up, indicate a strong momentum going up, and it's just slightly broken this downtrend trend line. Okay, this downtrend trend line is broken. Okay, slightly broken. Okay, so there's potential that the price can go back to this area. Okay, 13.4, 15.3, and 16. Okay, 16 is important. It's a very strong resistance area because it's a cross of this downwards resistance trend line and this upward supporting trend line. Okay, it's a cross of these two trend line, means there is a lot of resistance or selling potential over here. Okay, so have to watch out at this price, 16 area. Okay, if I were to invest, right, so I will be careful. So make sure the price doesn't come back down, okay, below this 11.6. Okay, 11.68. So if the price actually comes back down, right, means it could mean, right, the buying momentum has gone. Okay, no more buying momentum. If the price can continue to go up next week, okay, means the buying momentum, this break, right, this break of this downtrend trend line is confirm the break. Okay, after the break, then there is a potential for the price to continue to go up. Okay, if it cannot, if it cannot confirm the break, it come back down. Okay, so there is a possibility the price will continue to go down. Okay, so this is the big brother top gloves. Okay, top graph, the uptrend trend line is this one. Okay, really broken down, so it's on a bearish run. Okay, as I said, okay, the price actually broke out from this neckline, right? This neckline, I said, it's very important. Okay, uh, the top glove investor, right? They need to defend this area, right? If the price really break down from here, okay, so it could be a completion of the, not completion, okay, the start of a head and shoulder, so not head and shoulder, the double top pattern, which okay can bring the price even much lower. Okay, so but what happened is the price broke down over here and quickly, right, there is support and the price went back up. Okay, went back up over here, and the RSI now is around at 50%, right? So it's not very strong as the other Rubberex, K plus and HLT, right? Okay, so the price is around 50%. So this move, right, in order to confirm, right, in order not to say confirm, right, in order for the price to go up in the long term, right, longer term situation, it need to break out from these two area, okay, 6.5 and 7.2. Okay, if it breaks out from these two area, then there is a good potential that the price can continue to go up. So the resistance is these two area. Okay, the resistance is these two area. You need to clear. Okay, if you cannot clear these two area, it comes back down. Okay, so this could be a danger, the continuation of the double top. Okay, so when I see this, right, this doesn't don't celebrate, okay, this upward move, okay, so early. Okay, because this could be the whole this whole area, right, okay, could be the whole thing, could be a neckline, because as I said, a line is not an actual line, so it's a area. Okay, it's an area, so this one could be the whole neckline. Okay, in order for the double top to, okay, double top pattern to complete, right, as I said, okay, after it breaks down from the, okay, from the top formation, it need to have a retest. Okay, it had to have a retest before it continue to go down. Okay, so this, right, this candle, right, could possibly be a retest, okay, of a retest of this support neckline. Okay, this support neckline, this support neckline area, this whole area, right, this whole area. Okay, if it actually bounce down, right, from this area, right, then this could be a very dangerous sign of a beginning of the downtrend of the double top. Okay, so this one, for me, right, I won't celebrate so early. Even if I'm holding the stock, I won't celebrate so early until it actually can break upwards from here. Okay, from 6.5 is good. Okay, but for me, preferably it can break out from 7.2, then I will be happy. Okay, that it has already broke this double top formation. If it could not break out from here, okay, this could be a sign, okay, of the coming, okay, coming downtrend continuation. Okay, this could be a sign of the start of the downtrend of the double top formation. So this one, be very careful, watch out. Okay, for me, I will watch out for this. There is a few more counters which look very positive to invest, right? For me, I will be very careful if I want to invest on TOPGLOV. Okay, I'm not saying that it won't go up. Okay, I want to say even go up, it might rocket up. Nobody knows, because nobody knows how the stock market will happen. Okay, nobody can tell 100% what will happen. So this one have to be careful. Okay, if we can break up from 7.2, 6.5, 7.2, then very good potential. Okay, it can continue to go up to test 8.2, 8.9, and 9.7. Okay, Kossan also same thing. Okay, it broke a very strong support resistance area here, 4.7. It broke. Now it's trying to go back up, and it haven't go back up. Okay, and the RSI also is still far below zero. Okay, this is the lack of momentum, buying momentum here. Okay, but it does show a rebound, but have to be very careful, because it does show sign of rebound many times. One time here, okay, one time here. Okay, now it's the third time it rebound. Okay, one time here. So many times it show rebound, but it couldn't actually return to bullish. Okay, so this one be careful. You want to buy, okay, if I want to buy this Kossan, I will have to at least wait for it to break 4.7. Okay, go above 4.7. Okay, so potential 5.3 and 6.1. Okay, 6.1 is the top of this support trend line and the bottom of this resistance trend line. So this has to be careful. Okay, 6.1 is a very heavy resistance area, means could be a lot of sellers over here to sell down the price. Okay, so last one we look at ES. Okay, ES broke the support line. Okay, only broke the support trend line. Okay, a little bit. Okay, not very far. So this is still quite positive. Okay, for this stock, right? And it also haven't break the. Okay, it was supported over here. Okay, 4.65, 4.6 area, it was supported over here, supported over previously. So there's a lot of support over here, you see. Okay, many times. How long? Okay, 16 November until 5th January, right? It couldn't break down. Okay, means a lot of people are supporting over here. It tried to break up one time, okay, but the price come down. That's why I said, don't celebrate too early. You know, this right might not be a long-term break until it breaks clear a few barrier, because all this stock, right, after it breaks the uptrend trend line, is still considered downtrend. Once the stock is considered downtrend, right, for it to rebound up, to go up, right, it need to break a lot of barrier. It's not like a uptrend stock. Uptrend stock is very easy, because naturally, okay, naturally it's already going up. Okay, so the price is bouncing up. Okay, bouncing from a trend line, but now it's broken. Okay, the trend line is broken, so when the force for it to break the trend line, right, need to be very high in order for it to break. Okay, it need a lot of force. Okay, so we can see the force here. Okay, here you see, in order, right, even here, right, you see a very big force, right, trying to break up. Okay, but the price got sold down again. Okay, after price lost momentum, right, after a stock lost momentum, you can see even the very large push, right, it might not continue to go up. So this one have to be a little bit careful for me. Okay, for this one, see there's a big push, right, a big push. Okay, a big volume, a big push. Only it managed to go above. You see the previous push, right, a smaller push over here. Okay, you see the smaller push. It cannot, right? It got sold down back below this line. You can see. Okay, you can see the price action. Where the price tries to go up above this supporting resistance line, right? So it tried to go up, but it got blocked and it comes back down and it closed over here. Okay, it unable to break. But the next day, right, a very big push. Okay, very big volume push. Only it can goes up. Okay, so this one already push above the supporting trend line. So good opportunity. Okay, for the price to go to 6.2. Okay, to 7 and to here. Okay, here is around the 9 ringgit area. Okay, around 9 ringgit area. Okay, so good potential for the price to reach. Okay, the first sell down area, the first resistance is 6.2. If we can break 6.2, we are looking at 7. If we can break 7, we are looking at 0.19. Okay, if the price actually break back down here. Okay, this trend line, right? If the price it comes back down, okay, this trend line, right? So there is a potential that the price, okay, the buying momentum has lost and the price might continue to go down. Okay, so this will be a consolidation to close the trade. Okay, the first for this search, first target, second target, and the third target. This is how I would put it. Okay, if I'm trading this, buying this stock. So this is the outlook. Okay, for the stock, growth stock. Okay, hopefully it can continue to go up. Okay, because the market is going is very bad. Okay, you can see the sectors. Okay, all the sectors. Okay, has gone down. Only health technology and process industry. Okay, only these two, and this one is very minimal only. All is negative. Okay, only health technology is bringing the price up. Okay, so the KLCI, okay, this KLCI move, right, this move, right, actually mostly is contributed by the health technology. Okay, if the health technology cannot hold, okay, likely, possibly, this can continue to come down. Okay, this can continue to come down. So it still haven't break the, okay, the uptrend, okay, the resistance trend line over here. So actually, this is KLCI is moving down on the channel. You can see this is the channel. Okay, so technically KLCI haven't break above this channel and haven't break above this 1650 area. Okay, if we can break above 1615 area, then good opportunity, okay, for it to go up. So this can actually still come down. Okay, so during this political a lot of political events, and a lot of uncertainty due to COVID, so for me also, I will not be investing in very big volume, very big amount, okay, in the stock market, okay, because inconsistency and technically, right, technically the price is still on a downtrend, okay, still on a retracement, okay, so this is not a bullish move yet, okay, a bullish move is something like this, okay, it's a good time to buy the stock, okay, this is not a good time to buy a stock, this is not a good time to buy a stock, okay, this is not a good time to buy stock, this is not a good time to buy stock, okay, this is a good time to buy stock, this is a good time to buy stock, this is a good time to buy stock, right? So this is technically, this is not a good time to buy stock, okay, but looking at the healthcare, there is possibility, okay, the price can continue to go up. If the price can break up next week around here, break this channel, right? So possibly the price can continue to go up, okay, can be a sign of a, okay, another bullish play, another bullish market, okay, but be careful of the increased COVID, okay, COVID infection. Okay, so that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, right? Subscribe, hit the button, subscribe button. Remember, hit the bell. Okay, make sure if you hit the bell, so when I get new video out, you can get a notification. Also, remember to share this with your friends. So everybody can get some good entertainment. And stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.